that we have seen, or I will just quickly revise what points. I will just quickly revise whatever points we have seen in fourth chapter. So, as compared with previous chapter, the contents in fourth chapter are less somewhat. So, we have seen the basic concept of AM receiver. Then we have seen the three types of AM receiver: TRF receiver, super heterodyne, and in super heterodyne we have seen two types: single type super heterodyne receiver and dual convergence super heterodyne receiver. Then there is one point, concept of series and parallel resonance circuit for bandwidth and selectivity. So actually point, whatever is this point, this you will understand better after understanding performance characteristics. So I have decided to take this point at the last of this chapter. ओके, हे तीन टाईपचे रिसिव्हर बघितले आपण. त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघितल्या परफॉर्मन्स कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एएम रिसिव्हर. व्हॉट आर द परफॉर्मन्स कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एएम रिसिव्हर? सेन्सिटिव्हिटी, सिलेक्टिव्हिटी, fidelity, image frequency rejection ratio, which is usually abbreviated as IFRR. These characteristics we have seen. Okay, what is the formula for image frequency? Can you tell? Image frequency is desired or it is unwanted phenomena in the AM receiver. Image frequency means what? What is the formula for image frequency in AM receiver? Yes, give the answer. बघितलं ना आपण
FSI
image
equals to
frequency
FS plus twice FI. FSI equals to FS plus twice FI.
Yes, correct. Okay, so that is unwanted phenomenon. So all these points we have to consider in the performance characteristics. And then next point we have started in the previous lecture, that is mixers. What is the concept of mixer and tracking? आता हे जे दोन पॉइंट आहेत, स्क्रीन दिसते सगळ्यांना? Screen is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope all of you are clear with the points whatever we have covered up till now. After this there are 2 points, tracking and mixer. आता हे जे दोन पॉइंट आहेत, actually these are the important blocks, or we can say these are the important phenomenon which are occurring. आता मिक्सर हा एक ब्लॉक आहे, पण ट्रॅकिंग हे जर बघितलं तुम्ही तर ट्रॅकिंग इज नॉट अ ब्लॉक, बट इट इज द one important concept which is required in the receiver. So tracking and mixers, that 2 points are separate, which are not related with other points, but these 2 processes are important in the AM receiver. हे 2 पॉइंट बघायचे आपल्याला आता, मिक्सर आणि ट्रॅकिंग. नंतर we have to see the blocks used for AM detection. आता AM ट्रान्समीटर मध्ये जसा आपण AM जनरेशन हा सेपरेट ब्लॉक स्टडी केलाय, बरोबर आहे. ट्रान्समीटर मधला एक ब्लॉक आहे AM जनरेशन मध्ये, AM जनरेटर किंवा मॉड्युलेटर इज वन ब्लॉक इन द ट्रान्समीटर. Similarly, whatever is this AM detector, that is one block in the receiver. AM detector काय फंक्शन करेल? What is function of AM detector circuit in AM receiver? What is the function of AM detector?
Demodulation.
It is demodulating the AM. And actually receiver मध्ये, AM receiver मध्ये कितीही ब्लॉक असले तरी त्यातला जो मेन ब्लॉक आहे, जो मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल एक्सट्रॅक्ट करतो, that block it is called as AM detector. So we are going to see 2 types of AM detector. First one it is rectifier detection and another it is envelope detection. जसं आपण AM साठी सर्किट बघितले, what are the 2 main circuits used for AM generation? बेसिक AM जनरेशन मधले कुठले सर्किट बघितलेत आपण? What are the circuits that we have seen for AM generation? कुठले आहेत दोन मेन सर्किट AM जनरेशन साठी? वन आय विल टेल मल्टीप्लायर मॉड्युलेटर आणि सेकंड कुठला आहे AM जनरेशन साठी? स्विचिंग मॉड्युलेटर. तसंच इथं जसे आपण AM जनरेशन,
Switching
SSBSC,
module.
DS, yes, correct. Similarly, we have to see the two types of the AM detector. Those are rectifier detector and envelope detector. And then again we will see how to demodulate DSBSC signal and how to demodulate SSBSC signal. जे काय आपण ट्रान्समिशन बघितलंय थर्ड चॅप्टर मध्ये त्या सगळ्याचं रिसेप्शन आपण ह्या फोर्थ चॅप्टर मध्ये स्टडी करायचंय. AM डिटेक्शन, then detection of DSBSC signal and detection of SSBSC signal. Okay, so all these points we have to see in this chapter. So these are the points that we have seen up till now. And today we will start with this mixer part. हे सुद्धा point आपण चालू केला होता previous lecture ला. Okay, so mixer, what is the function of mixer block in the AM receiver? What is the function of this mixer block in the AM receiver? Whether the mixer is used in TRF receiver? TRF receiver मध्ये आपण
No.
mixer use करतो का नाही? It is used only in the super heterodyne receiver. What is the basic function of mixer in receiver? Yes, please give the answers fast. Now we have to be somewhat fast as compared with previous chapters. Because the points were new, so intentionally I have taken the points very slowly. But now I hope you are clear with the basic things. So there should not be any problem if we move somewhat fast. Is it okay to all? Basic concept तर आता समजले तुम्हाला. So as compared with previous chapters, we will go somewhat fast. That I am saying, as per your understanding. That is important. Mixer, what is the basic function? It mixes two signals. Which two
Mixing of
signals
two
are given as
signals.
input to the mixer?
Carrier
FS and
modulating.
modulating signal and not carrier. This FS stands for AM signal. आपण रिसीव्हर बघतोय. मग रिसीव्हर मध्ये मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल आपल्याला रिकव्हर करायचं आहे आणि रिसीव्हरला बेसिक इनपुट काय आहे? AM signal. So here the AM signal is given as input to the frequency mixer and another input for frequency mixer is the local oscillator output. So these two blocks are given as input to the mixer and output of mixer we are getting as intermediate frequency. So RF signal is converted in the form of IF signal in the mixer. Okay. So it is basic block used in the receiver. It mixes two frequency signals, that is RF signal and local oscillator frequency signal. And output of mixer it is intermediate frequency. What is the value of intermediate frequency for AM receiver? किती AM receiver साठी IF ची value? What is the value of IF in case of AM receiver? Standard value किती आहे IF ची AM receiver साठी?
455 kilohertz.
455 kilohertz. मग सपोज आपल्या आता इथं FS ची फ्रिक्वेन्सी 1 मेगाहर्ट्ज आहे. तर बेस्ड ऑन FS फ्रिक्वेन्सी वी आर ऍडजस्टिंग द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ लोकल ऑसिलेटर. इथं फॉर्म्युला दिलाय बघा. FO इज इक्वल टू FS प्लस FI. FI ची तर व्हॅल्यू कॉन्स्टंट आहे AM रिसिव्हर साठी 455 किलोहर्ट्ज. FS ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1 मेगाहर्ट्ज. So 1 megahertz plus 455 kilohertz, that will be value of the local oscillator frequency. Local oscillator, the name itself indicates it is at the user end and frequency of local oscillator can be adjusted by the user. Okay. So these two signals are given as input to the mixer and output of mixer we are getting the intermediate frequency. Okay, so this is the important function of mixer. So there are two types of mixers. First one it is frequency mixer and second one it is separately excited mixer. दोन टाइप मिक्सरचे स्टडी करायचे आपल्याला, frequency mixer and separately excited mixer. But these are the two types, but out of these two we are going to see only one in the syllabus, which is frequency mixer. Okay, so this block diagram, whatever we have seen concept, that is related to frequency mixer only. So here you can see, are you getting? दोन टाइप आहेत, फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर आणि सेपरेटली एक्साइटेड मिक्सर. ह्या दोन पैकी आपण फक्त फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर आपल्या सिलेबस मध्ये स्टडी करणार आहे. सो फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर, द नेम इटसेल्फ इंडिकेट द टू इनपुट्स फॉर द मिक्सर ब्लॉक आर AM frequency and frequency from local oscillator. So it is used in the radio frequency receiver for conversion of RF signal into IF signal. Its block diagram and operating frequency is as shown in the diagram. Okay, so mixer एक इनपुट आहे FS. FS म्हणजे कुठला सिग्नल आहे हा? What is this FS signal? Which is this FS signal? FS signal म्हणजे कुठला सिग्नल हा?
AM signal.
AM signal. आणि दुसरा आहे हा लोकल ऑसिलेटर. मग ह्या दोन्हीची फ्रिक्वेन्सी that, so if you make addition of FS plus FI, that is giving you the frequency of local oscillator. So by considering these FI value and FS value, we are adjusting the frequency of local oscillator. That is the basic working principle of frequency mixer. So another diagram for frequency mixer. दोन diagram काढायचे frequency mixer मध्ये तुम्हाला. First one it is basic block diagram and another it is operating principle. So what happens in operating principle? Concept it is same. This block is frequency mixer. One input for frequency mixer is FS signal, that is AM signal, and another input for frequency mixer is local oscillator, which is giving the output frequency as FO. And by considering the value of FS and FO, we get the IF value at output of frequency mixer. So this is the IF value which is showing at the output side. So once you get the IF value here, what is the next circuit in front of this IF value? हे तर सोपं आहे, हा कन्सेप्ट. फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर आहे, त्याच्या इनपुटला दोन फ्रिक्वेन्सी दिल्यास FS आणि FO आणि त्याच्यावरून तुमची आउटपुट फ्रिक्वेन्सी ती IF. What is the output circuit in front of this IF? What is this circuit given here? Tuning circuit. Have you gone through the word tuning circuit? Tuning circuit तुम्ही नाव ऐकलंय का कधी? Or have you studied that circuit which is used for tuning purpose? Tuning means what? No, that I have told you. What is the concept of tuning?
Adjusting.
Always adjusting. Always remember whatever is the receiver, always that receiver should work in synchronization with the transmitter. So it is very simple. जर transmitter ची frequency 10 kilohertz आहे आणि तुमचा रिसीवर जर 1 हर्ट्ज वरती ऑपरेट होत असेल तर सिग्नल प्रॉपर रिसीव होईल का रिसीवरला? If the two frequencies are not matched, there will not be proper signal reception at the receiver. मग हे जे काही दोन्ही फ्रिक्वेन्सीचं आपण मॅचिंग करतो, there are number of parameters which we have to consider की जे ट्रान्समीटर आणि रिसीवरचे ते पर्टिक्युलर पॅरामीटर्स हे मॅच व्हायला पाहिजे, त्याला आपण म्हणतो ट्युनिंग. ओके, सो व्हेन यू कन्सिडर एनी frequency of transmitter, always that should be tuned with the receiver. त्यामुळे ट्रान्समीटरची फ्रिक्वेन्सी तुम्ही चेंज करू शकत नाही व्हेन वी आर कन्सिडरिंग रिसिव्हर, बिकॉज दॅट ट्रान्समीटर फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज फिक्स्ड. So you have to adjust the frequency of the receiver in proportionate with transmitter frequency, आणि त्या प्रोसेसला आपण म्हणतो ट्युनिंग सर्किट. आणि ह्या ट्युनिंग साठी रेझोनंट सर्किट वापरलं जातं. ओके, सो इफ यू सी द सिलेबस, देर इज वन पॉइंट इन द सिलेबस that is concept of series and parallel resonant circuits for bandwidth and selectivity. मग ट्युनिंग साठी जे सर्किट वापरतो आपण त्याच्यामध्ये काय असतं that we will see, and based on that whether you are using parallel combination of the components or series combination of the components. There are the different types of the tuning circuits. Okay, so here you just understand first the meaning of the tuning. A tuning circuit consists of an inductor and capacitor usually used in the parallel. आता इथं आपल्याला ट्युनिंग सर्किटचं फंक्शनिंग बघायचं नाहीये की ट्युनिंग कसं करतो तो. फक्त कन्सेप्ट लक्षात घ्या की ट्युनिंग सर्किट इज युज्ड to synchronize the frequency of receiver with frequency of the transmitter. For that purpose we are using the tuning circuit. Then a tuning circuit consists of an inductor and a capacitor. काय असतं ट्युनिंग सर्किट मध्ये? It consists of the parallel combination of inductor and capacitor. Mostly the parallel combination is used. It can be used in series combination also, but mostly the parallel combination is used for inductor and capacitor. Then either the inductance of the inductor or the capacitance of the capacitor must be able to be varied. Either we can change the inductance value or we can change the capacitance value. So by just a minute. So either this inductance should be varied or this capacitance should be varied. Are you able to see this diagram? Is it visible to all? ट्युनिंग सर्किटची डायग्राम दिसते का सगळ्यांना? Is it visible? This is inductance and this is capacitance. I hope at least you are familiar with the symbols. ECAD मध्ये तुम्ही बघितले असतील इंडक्टर आणि कॅपॅसिटर. So tuning circuit is the combination of inductor and capacitor. मग ह्या दोन्ही पैकी एक व्हॅल्यू चेंज करून आपण रिसिव्हरची फ्रिक्वेन्सी हे ट्रान्समीटर सोबत मॅच करू शकतो. ह्याला म्हणतात ट्युनिंग सर्किट. एवढा लक्षात ठेवा ट्युनिंग सर्किटचं मिनिंग. यू गॉट द बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्युनिंग सर्किट. Why it is required and what it consists of? Can anyone tell? कारण ही टर्म तुम्हाला बऱ्याचदा रिसिव्हर मध्ये यूज करायला लागणार आहे ट्युनिंग सर्किट. सो कॅन यू टेल व्हॉट इज द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्युनिंग सर्किट and why it is used? Yes, tell it please. Tuning circuit means what and why it is used? Give the answer for the question. Yes, Sagar Sorat is there. Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the function of tuning circuit? Tuning circuit means what? Anybody else? Meenakshi is there? Meenakshi Patil.
Frequency.
शुभम बटके.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the use for Shubham? What is the use for this tuning circuit?
Combinations of inductor and capacitor.
It is the combination of inductor
Circuit
and
मधील
capacitor.
capacitor.
Receiver of the
Circuit मधील
synchronization.
combination करण्यासाठी use केलं जातं.
Okay, that is the concept of tuning circuit. So here in this mixer diagram, if you see frequency mixer जो आपण बघतोय त्याच्यामध्ये बेसिक इनपुटला दोन सिग्नल आहेत, AM frequency आणि local oscillator frequency, and these two frequencies are operated in this frequency mixer, and output we get it as a IF frequency, आणि IF frequency च्या पुढे हे tuning circuit याच्यामध्ये use केलेले. Okay, so here you can see this is the capacitor and this inductor, and this is the tuned circuit which is used for this frequency mixer, so that whatever is this IF signal we are getting at the output, it is more tuned with this particular IF frequency signal. म्हणजे इथं तर आपल्याला IF signal मिळालेलाच आहे, but to again convert it into the exact IF signal form, here we are using the tuning circuit. So tuning circuit, here it may be the combination of inductor and capacitor in series, or it may be in the parallel. This is the tuning circuit which is used in front of this frequency mixer block. Is it clear to all? Frequency mixer समजला सगळ्यांना? Another type of mixer, it is separately excited mixer. So there will not be separate questions on this particular point, separately excited mixer. The question will be asked as explain or what are the different types of mixer, and explain any one type of the mixer. So this frequency mixer, whatever we have seen, that is sufficient to explain. Okay, is it clear? Frequency mixer. Yes, is it understood to all? Or any doubt? Yes, Shubham, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next point here, it is tracking. Now what do you understand by the word tracking? What is the regular meaning of this word? Okay, one more point I have to show related to this tuning circuit. He झाले basic circuit दाखवलेले tuning चं. Tuning circuit is also called as LC circuit because it uses the combination of inductor and capacitor. आणि हे जे काही LC circuit आहे जे आपण tuning साठी वापरतो, that circuit is also called as the resonant circuit, or it is called as the tank circuit. So these two words you have to remember. जिथं कुठेही resonant circuit किंवा tank circuit असा शब्द येतो, at that time you have to understand that two particular circuits are used for the tuning purpose. Okay, that is the concept of this tuning circuit. Then next point we are going to see tracking. So what is the meaning of the word tracking? Tracking means what? Track means what?
To find out.
To find out. किंवा आपण जे काही GPS पोझिशन असते किंवा आपल्या मोबाईल वरती जे नेव्हिगेशनचे ऍप्लिकेशन असतात, so what it is doing? It is tracking the position of some device, or it is tracking the position of some place. So here the word tracking in terms of receiver, when we are using this tracking word, it simply indicates that the tracking is nothing but the receiver is tracking the frequency, whatever is the expected frequency. So if you see the concept of tracking in the receiver, you will find out the easy explanation. आता tracking वरती तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारत नाही तर एक्झाम मध्ये, but just that concept you have to understand. What is the meaning of tracking process in the receiver. That concept you have to understand. That's why I'm just explaining that point. Tracking in the receiver. So every super heterodyne receiver contains one local oscillator and one more number of frequency components. So if you consider the mixer, for the mixer which two inputs we are giving? One input to the mixer is AM signal and another input to the mixer is local oscillator signal. मग रिसीवर मध्ये जी काही फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे ट्रान्समीटरची ती सेम फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपल्याला सिंक्रोनाइज करायची असते. सो फॉर दॅट सिंक्रोनायझेशन पर्पज every super heterodyne contains one local oscillator and one AM frequency component. Then for proper synchronization between the transmitted AM signal and receiver, capacitors are used in the receiver which are called as the tuning capacitor. आता आपण जे पहिला जो रिसीवर बघितलाय त्याच्यामध्ये हा पॉइंट दिला होता बघा, इफ यू रिमेंबर की पहिला रिसीवरची डायग्राम आहे. कुठला होता पहिला रिसीवर? TRF रिसीवर. आता ते डिस्क्रिप्शन न बघता ट्रॅकिंगचं इथं फक्त सिंपल पॉइंट तुम्ही समजून घ्या. ट्रॅकिंग प्रोसेस म्हणजे काय? आता हा AM रिसीवर आहे. इथं तुम्हाला दिसतंय गँग्ड ट्युनिंग. गँग्ड ट्युनिंग इज नथिंग बट इट इज सेट ऑफ कॅपॅसिटर्स. एखाद्या रिसीवर मध्ये मल्टिपल कॅपॅसिटर्स आर युज्ड अँड these capacitors are used to detect the सिग्नल. म्हणजे जी काही ट्रान्समीटरची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे ती फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि रिसीवरची फ्रिक्वेन्सी या दोन्हीमध्ये ट्युनिंग करण्यासाठी इन रिसीवर वी आर युजिंग सेट ऑफ द कॅपॅसिटर्स आणि त्या कॅपॅसिटरची व्हॅल्यू प्रॉपरली ॲडजस्ट करून ती फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपण रिसीवरला मॅच करतो अँड दॅट प्रोसेस इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ट्रॅकिंग प्रोसेस. ओके, वन्स अगेन आय एम रिपीटिंग. ट्रॅकिंग वरती तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला जात नाही एक्झाम मध्ये. ट्रॅकिंगचा कन्सेप्ट काय ते लक्षात घ्या. टू ट्रॅक मीन्स व्हॉट? टू फाइंड आउट. समजा मला आता रिसीवर मध्ये 10 कॅपॅसिटर मी यूज केलेले आहेत. सो दॅट कॅपॅसिटर्स आर यूज टू हॅव द प्रॉपर सिंक्रोनायझेशन बिटवीन ट्रान्समीटर अँड रिसीवर. मग रिसीवर मधला कॅपॅसिटर हा ट्रान्समीटर सोबतच्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीसाठी ट्यून करतो त्या रिसीवरला. तिथं ट्युनिंग सर्किट आहे. ट्युनिंग सर्किट मध्ये कुठले दोन कंपोनंट आहेत? इंडक्टर अँड कॅपॅसिटर. सो सेट ऑफ कॅपॅसिटर्स आर युज्ड इन द रिसीवर अँड दॅट कॅपॅसिटर्स आर युज्ड टू मॅच द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ रिसीवर विथ द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ द ट्रान्समीटर. दॅट प्रोसेस इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ट्रॅकिंग process. It is tracking what is the frequency of transmitter and it is synchronizing the frequency of receiver with the frequency of the transmitter. That is the process called as the tracking process. So here it is given for proper synchronization between the transmitted AM signal and receiver, capacitors are used in the receiver which are called as the tuning capacitors. जे कॅपॅसिटर रिसीवर मध्ये यूज होतात those are called as the tuning capacitors and these capacitors adjust the value of local oscillator frequency and achieves the synchronization process between the transmitter and receiver and it is called as the tracking process. Is it clear? Tracking concept?
Yes, ma'am.
That you will find this word number of times. Tuning capacitors or set असतो तिथं कॅपॅसिटरचा. That's why it is also called as ganged capacitors because those are used in group. That's why it is also called as ganged capacitor. Mostly these capacitors are playing their role in the tracking process as compared with the inductor. So every super heterodyne receiver consists of this tracking process. जर ट्रॅकिंग प्रोसेस रिसीवर मध्ये नसेल तर देयर विल नॉट बी प्रॉपर सिंक्रोनायझेशन बिटवीन ट्रान्समीटर अँड द रिसीवर. दॅट इज द पॉइंट. सो दिस टू ब्लॉक्स. मिक्सर वरती तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन येतो मिक्सरचे बेसिक फंक्शन लिहायचं आधी. Then what are the two types of mixers that you have to write down? Frequency mixer and separately excited mixer. And then this frequency mixer you have to explain. And tracking मध्ये this description you have to write. Mostly the question it is not asked on the tracking point. Okay. So that completes the 2 points. Now very important point we are going to see, that is AM detector types. जसं आपण AM ट्रान्समीटरचे टाइप बघितले किंवा AM जनरेशन सर्किट. There are two types of AM generation methods, multiplier modulator and switching modulator. तसं AM detector मध्ये काय बघायचं आपल्याला? We have to see the two types of AM detector circuits. So what is the basic function of AM detector? It performs function of extracting original signal from the AM signal, and there are two types of AM detector. So it is very simple. Just pay attention all of you. कुठला पॉइंट बघतोय आपण? AM detector. Or what is another name for AM detector? Can you tell? What is the another name for AM detector? AM detector ला काय म्हणू शकतो आपण अजून? What is another name for AM detector? Detector is same as which block? What is another name for AM detector? What process it is doing? AM detector. कुठली प्रोसेस करतोय AM डिटेक्टर? आता पहिले दोन पॉइंट संपले जे आपण बघितले, मिक्सर आणि ट्रॅकिंग. दॅट पॉइंट्स आर ओव्हर. नाउ वी हॅव स्टार्टेड विथ द न्यू पॉइंट, टाइप्स ऑफ AM डिटेक्टर. सो AM डिटेक्टर or it is also called as AM demodulator. Both are having the same meaning. मग AM demodulator चे टाइप आपण आता स्टडी करणार आहे. So there are two types of AM detector. The basic function of AM detector is to extract the original modulating signal. What will be the input for AM detector circuit? AM detector circuit ला input काय असणार आहे? What will be the input for AM detector?
AM signal.
AM signal. Okay, and then from that received AM signal, it will extract the modulating signal. म्हणजे carrier signal remove करणार तो. And what will be their output of AM detector? It will be just the modulating signal. So AM detector performs function of extracting original signal from the received AM signal, and there are two types of AM detectors. First one is envelope detector and second it is rectifier detector. दोन टाइप स्टडी करायचे आपल्याला AM डिटेक्टरचे. फर्स्ट वन इट इज एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर and second one it is the rectifier detector. So both the circuits we will see one by one. Okay, so what is the first type of detector? Envelope detector. So we will see the block diagram and functioning of envelope detector. So in the exam question may be asked, explain AM detectors, किंवा सेपरेटली तुम्हाला एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर वरती सुद्धा क्वेश्चन विचारू शकतात आणि रेक्टिफायर डिटेक्टर वरती सुद्धा क्वेश्चन विचारू शकतात. ओके, सो वी विल सी फर्स्ट एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर. सो एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर इट इज सिंपल डिटेक्टर टाइप विच इज कॉमनली यूज्ड फॉर AM डिटेक्शन. या दोन डिटेक्टर पैकी एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर हा कॉमनली यूज केला जातो प्रॅक्टिकल ऍप्लिकेशन मध्ये. So it is simple detector type which is commonly used for AM detection. It consists of combination of diode and low pass filter formed by a combination of resistor and capacitor. So to understand this description you first see the block diagram. Are you getting what we are considering right now? काय स्टडी करतोय आपण आता? कुठला पॉईंट कन्सिडर करतोय? What is the point that we are studying right now?
AM detection. So
AM?
type
हां, AM डिटेक्टरचे दोन टाईप आहेत, एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर आणि रेक्टिफायर
rectifier.
डिटेक्टर. त्यातला आपण पहिला टाईप स्टडी करतोय आता, एनव्हलप
And
डिटेक्टर, and that is most practically used AM detector type. This is the block diagram or this is the diagram for AM detector. ह्याच्यामध्ये एक त्याची सर्किट डायग्राम बघायची आपल्याला, and second we have to see the waveforms for the AM detector. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of AM detector. The circuit diagram consists of, initially it is having diode. Diode आहे सुरुवातीला ह्या सर्किट मध्ये, and that diode it is followed by the filter. Diode is followed by the filter. And filter is consisting of the parallel combination of R and C. So we can say this envelope detector can be divided into 2 points. पहिला पॉइंट आहे ह्या डायग्राम मधला डायोड, and diode is followed by filter. The filter consists of parallel combination of R and C. So this is the circuit diagram. Then what is the input for this envelope detector? कुठला सिग्नल असणार आहे envelope detector ला इनपुट ला?
AMC.
AM signal. So this consists of AM signal at the input, and at output we will get the modulating signal. हे दोन पॉइंट लक्षात ठेवा. इनपुट ला असणार आहे AM signal, and that AM signal will be demodulated, and at output we will get the modulating signal. Now this conversion of AM signal into modulating signal takes place in 2 steps. Try to understand. हा जो AM सिग्नल आहे इनपुटला दिलेला, हा AM सिग्नल आपल्याला कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा आहे? मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल मध्ये. So this conversion of AM signal into modulating signal that takes place in 2 steps, and that 2 steps are explained in this diagram. How the conversion of AM signal into modulating signal takes place, that is explained in this diagram. So first, what is the first waveform? इथं कुठली दिसते पहिली waveform? What is this first waveform? It is representing which signal? First waveform.
Modulating.
हा पहिला सिग्नल आहे, हा AM सिग्नल आहे ना, ही कशाची वेवफॉर्म आहे? AM सिग्नल.
signal.
दिस इज द, हे जे पहिलं इनपुट दिलेलं आहे हे ह्या वेवफॉर्म मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. This Vin is nothing but AM signal which is given as input to the AM detector. This is first signal given as input to this AM detector. So this is AM input signal that consists of positive part, negative part. मग हा AM signal आपण कुठे दिलाय पहिल्यांदा? What is the first component to which this AM signal is given? कुठे देतो AM signal आपण पहिल्यांदा? कुठे दिलाय हा AM signal सुरुवातीला? It is passing through this diode. Getting? हा AM signal आहे डिटेक्टरच्या इनपुटला. That AM signal first we have given to the diode, and what is the function of diode? What is the basic function of diode?
Filter.
Diode carries the current only in one direction. किंवा हा diode जेव्हा forward bias असतो तेव्हा it acts as a short circuit, and when it is reverse bias it acts as a open circuit. मग आता याच्यामध्ये बघा, when this positive half cycle is there, आता ह्या AM signal मध्ये दोन्ही सायकल आहेत, positive half cycle and negative half cycle. So when this positive half cycle of AM is there, this diode will become forward bias and it will conduct this path, and when this AM signal is having negative half cycle. At that time, whether the diode will be forward biased or it will be reverse biased. हे फंक्शन लक्षात घ्यायचं. ही वेवफॉर्म आणि ही वेवफॉर्म ह्याच्यात काय फरक आहे? What is the difference between this first and second waveform?
Negative part removed.
फर्स्ट वेवफॉर्म ही बेसिक AM ची वेवफॉर्म आहे जी आपण डायोडच्या इनपुटला दिली आणि दुसरी वेवफॉर्म हे कुठली आहे? That is the waveform which we are getting at the output of the diode. So what this diode has done? It has removed the negative half cycle of this AM signal. AM signal मधल्या negative half cycle चा part त्यांनी flip केलेला आहे. Flip means what? To remove. So AM signal is given as input to the diode, which consists of positive and negative both the parts. What this diode has done? It has done the negative part. It has clipped the negative part, and only positive part it is there in the output of the diode. हा झाला पहिला पॉइंट जो आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये कन्सिडर करायचा आहे. नंतर फक्त पॉझिटिव्ह पॉइंट असलेला AM हा कुठे दिलाय? व्हॉट इज दिस सर्किट दॅट आय टोल्ड इनिशियली? हे कुठलं सर्किट आहे डायोडच्या पुढे यूज केलेला? RC circuit that is used in parallel combination. What this we have called as? काय म्हणलेलं आपण ह्याला? Filter. Whatever is this combination of R and C in parallel, that is nothing but it is called as the filter. So what this filter will do? It is same as that of function of low pass filter. And what is the function of low pass filter? Low pass filter काय करतो? What is the function of low pass filter?
लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल्स पास करतो.
फक्त लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल पास करतो आणि हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल त्यातनं रिमूव्ह करून टाकतो. मग आता इथं बघा, इथं जो काही सिग्नल आहे आपल्याला हा आहे AM सिग्नल. मग ह्या AM सिग्नल मधल्या हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी कंपोनंट तो काढून टाकतो आणि आउटपुटला फक्त कुठले सिग्नल शिल्लक करतो? दॅट इज मॉड्युलेटिंग signal that is present at the output. So this is the modulating signal that we are getting at the output of this filter. So you just see it once again. I am explaining. AM detector जो आहे दोन पार्ट मध्ये आपण डिवाइड करू शकतो. फर्स्ट पार्ट इट इज डायोड and second part it is this low pass filter which is formed by parallel combination of R and C. पहिला डायोड आहे, डायोडच्या पुढे आपण लो पास फिल्टर यूज केलेला आहे. सो व्हॉट दिस डायोड इज डुइंग? व्हॉट इज द इनपुट फॉर दिस डायोड? डायोडला कुठला सिग्नल दिला आपण इनपुट म्हणून सुरुवातीला?
AM signal.
AM सिग्नल जो दोन्ही साइडला आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह. मग हा डायोड काय करतोय? इट ऍक्ट्स ॲज अ युनिडायरेक्शनल डिव्हाइस. युनिडायरेक्शनल डिव्हाइस मीन्स इट अलाउज द सिग्नल टू ट्रान्समिट ओनली इन वन डायरेक्शन. हा जेव्हा AM पॉझिटिव्ह आहे म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल आहे AMचं, तेव्हा हा डायोड काय होईल? फॉरवर्ड बायस होईल आणि हा सिग्नल ॲज इट इज तो डायोडच्या आउटपुटला रिप्रोड्यूस करेल पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकलला फक्त. व्हॉट विल हॅपन ॲट निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल? What will happen in case of negative half cycle?
It acts as a reverse bias and don't pass the current.
It acts as reverse bias means it acts as open circuit. Open circuit म्हणजे काय? इथला कुठलाही सिग्नल इथं मिळत नाही. म्हणजे डायोडचा आउटपुट काय निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकलला इट इज 0. That's why you can see here there is same waveform passed only for positive half cycle and for negative half cycle there is no any voltage at the output. Okay, so this is the output of this diode, and then next output of this diode is given to this low pass filter. So what this low pass filter will do? It will pass only the low frequency components. आता इथं जो सिग्नल आहे इथं हे हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी कंपोनंट पण आहेत आणि हा ओरिजिनल जो आहे तो मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल आहे which is having the low frequency. So what this low pass filter will do, ही जी काय वेवफॉर्म आहे ह्याच्यामधला हा हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल तो काढून टाकतो. हा हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल म्हणजे इट इज सेम एज दॅट ऑफ कॅरियर and it will just allow the modulating signal to get reproduced at the output. This is the modulating signal which is reproduced at the output. So in this way we can recover the original modulating signal from the envelope detector. So is it clear?
Yes,
इथे
ma'am.
मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल मिळाले आपल्याला. मेन दोन पार्ट मध्ये तर डिवाइड आपण करू शकतो, डायोड आणि low pass filter. This is the concept of this envelope detector. Vin, which is same as AM signal, and output VO is same as that of modulating signal. Okay, so same description is given here. It is simple detector type which is commonly used for AM detection. It consists of combination of diodes and low pass filter formed by combination of resistor and capacitor. AM signal is given as input and diode converts it into unidirectional signal. हा जो AM आहे ह्याला diode काय करतो, unidirectional signal मध्ये convert करतो. It clips the negative part of AM and only positive cycle is present at the output of the diode. Then it is passed through RC circuit and we get the original modulating signal at the output. So this is the first type of AM receiver. Is it clear to all? कुठला डिटेक्टर स्टडी केला आपण? Please explain the working principle of this detector whatever we have seen right now. कुठला डिटेक्टर स्टडी केला आपण आता?
Envelope detector.
How it functions? What is the circuit for envelope detector?
Diode and low pass filter.
Diode and low pass filter. What the diode is doing?
Pass the positive signal only.
फक्त पॉझिटिव्ह सिग्नल तो पास करतो. Then what is the next block
Low pass filter.
after diode? What is the next block? Low pass filter. It is formed by combination of R and C. So what that low pass filter will do?
Remove, pass the low frequency only.
याच्यातनं फक्त लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल पास होतात, हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल रिमूव्ह होतात, and that's why we are getting only the modulating signal at the output of this low pass filter. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this envelope detector point. Okay, so advantages. The advantages of envelope detector are ability to handle relatively high power signals at input. Inputला जरी high power signals आले तरी that can be handled by this receiver or AM detector, and it is having high efficiency up to 90%. Efficiency of this signal it is up to, or efficiency of detector is up to 90%. And disadvantages are no amplification occurs in diode detector and it has less selectivity. So disadvantages are diode detector मध्ये amplification होत नाही and it is having the less selectivity. These are the advantages and disadvantages of these two. Or these are the two disadvantages of this envelope detector.
Ma'am.
No amplification occurs and less selectivity. Okay, so to overcome these disadvantages, the next circuit we have to consider, that is rectifier detector. So this we will see in the tomorrow's lecture. Envelope detector समजलं सगळ्यांना? हाय पॉवर सिग्नल तो ऑपरेट करू शकतो, हा पहिला ॲडव्हान्टेज आहे. ह्याची इफिशियन्सी आहे 90%. 90% इफिशियन्सी आहे म्हणजे काय? जो काही इनपुटला सिग्नल आहे तो 90% आउटपुटला रिप्रोड्यूस करू शकतो. हे झाले ॲडव्हान्टेजेस. आणि डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस काय? नो एम्प्लिफिकेशन ऑकर्स इन डायोड डिटेक्टर and it is having the less selectivity.
Ma'am, less selectivity.
हा बोला.
समजा नाही लेस सिलेक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे नेमकं काय
Okay,
डिसएडव्हान्टेज
what
म्हणजे
is the okay? First you understood no amplification occurs in diode detector. आता हा जो आहे पुढचा त्याच्यामध्ये amplification होते. How that we will see in the next slide. But here less selectivity means what? What is the meaning of selectivity? आपण performance characteristics बघितल्यात. त्यातले selectivity चा काय अर्थ आहे? What is the meaning of selectivity? आपण बघितलं ना वेगवेगळ्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बघितल्या त्यातली सिलेक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे काय? What is the function selectivity or what is that
To
characteristic?
select the frequency.
जी काही एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे ती सिलेक्ट करणे. That characteristic it is called as the selectivity. So here it is given the ability of receiver to select expected frequency is called as the selectivity. So here that feature it is not provided in this envelope detector. जी काही इनपुटला सिग्नल आलेला आहे हा Vin तो as it is accept करतो. There is no any separate provision to accept the frequency which is in the particular expected range. That's why it is called as the less selectivity it is there. So there is no any provision to select the expected frequency. हा जो काही सिग्नल इथं मिळालेला आहे तो ॲज इट इज ॲक्सेप्ट करतोय किंवा इथं कुठलं सर्किट आहे का वेगळं ज्याच्यामध्ये प्रोव्हिजन आहे की ह्या फ्रिक्वेन्सी व्हॅल्यूलाच फक्त तो पुढे प्रोसेस करू शकतो. There is no such provision in the receiver. That's why it is called as it is having less selectivity. Is it clear? सागर किंवा हे जर तुम्ही दोन कंपेअर केले एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर आणि रेक्टिफायर डिटेक्टर तर रेक्टिफायर डिटेक्टर मध्ये त्याची सिलेक्टिव्हिटी जास्त असते. हाऊ इट इज देअर दॅट यू विल अंडरस्टँड व्हेन वी विल सी दिस रेक्टिफायर डिटेक्टर ब्लॉक डायग्राम इन द टुमॉरोज लेक्चर. इथं कुठलीही इनपुटला प्रोव्हिजन नाही फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिलेक्ट करण्यासाठी त्यामुळे आपण काय म्हणतोय इट इज हॅव्हिंग द लेस सिलेक्टिव्हिटी. ओके इज इट क्लिअर?
येस मॅम.
सो एनव्हलप डिटेक्टर आपण बघितलंय आपण आता ह्या लेक्चरला. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला we will see the rectifier detector and we will compare the function of rectifier detector and envelope detector. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. So we will stop here. We will see the rectifier detector in the next lecture. Okay. हे 2-3 पॉइंट जे आता आपण घेतले मिक्सर ट्रॅकिंग मिक्सर मध्ये कुठला टाइप बघितला आपण फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर. त्याचं so these points we have seen today. मिक्सर दोन टाइप आहेत फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर आणि सेपरेटली एक्साइटेड. त्यातला फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर आपण बघितलाय वन टाइप. त्याची ब्लॉक डायग्राम बघितली and this is the circuit diagram for this frequency mixer. Then we have seen the concept of tracking and then there are two types of AM detector, envelope detector, rectifier detector. Out of that we have seen this envelope detector and rectifier detector we will see in the next lecture. Okay, is it clear to all?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So you just type your numbers in the chat box and you can leave the meeting.